welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. Chrysler 300, this is it right here. Noisy noise, sound like a hot rod, they say. I'm suspecting exhaust noise, but you know, when how people complain about their car sound like a, I don't think this has a Hemi in it. This is typical. Let me see. Whoa, y'all hear that? It sounds just like a powerful V8. I want to see what's under the hood, guys. Let's go and find out before we take it inside and do our inspection. Drum roll, please. Brrr, ladies and gentlemen, it is, whoa, 3.6. Yes, 3.6 Pentastar. Whoa, look straight down there, guys. I see it. That's the first thing I started looking at now. It's oil down there, so this car likely have an oil leak also, but that is an exhaust leak. If there's no if the exhaust system hasn't been tampered with, we won't know until we get in the air, guys. So I'm about to take it inside. All right, y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it. All right, guys. I'm in the shop, guys. So we're gonna have to let this thing up in the air. This is pretty loud. No, this is not a Hemi supercharger or nothing like that. It's your typical, y'all see the console, Chrysler 300 with a 3.6. All right, but y'all hear that? Let me put it in park and rev up on it. Y'all hear that? Yes. That don't sound like horsepower. That sound like broken exhaust parts, okay? So, guys, let's get this thing up in the air. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's find out exactly why this thing sound like a Hemi. Oh my goodness, guys, y'all see this? Oh, oil leaks, guys. Y'all know where that's coming from? That's right, guys. You know, oil filter depth housing. She got an 8-speed. That is bad. Okay. Yeah, oil leaking from the oil filter adapter housing. All right, but what we need, I want to find out why it sounds like a Hemi. It has to be an exhaust leak. Whoa, that is too loose. Uh-oh, right here, guys. This is why this car, you had to hit something. Oh my goodness. She's gonna need, I wonder can this be repaired? All we're doing is gonna replace it, start right here and go all the way to the back, to the rear. Oh no, is it replaceable? Oh guys, no it's not. There's no way. I'm gonna have to get from here. I'm gonna have to get from here all the way back, cause these the cats. Oh no. Oh no, sorry, homegirl. Okay. I'll see what I need to see. I thought maybe she got some horsepower or something. No, that ain't it. And we're gonna need to take care of this oil leak. So this is the exhaust noise. I don't know how this came apart. She had to have hit something. Okay, but my biggest hurdle would be, can you get it? Can you, well, you have no choice. Cause this doesn't, oh, I guess it do disconnect right here. So it just disconnect from one side. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go to the parts department and find out, guys. So stay tuned. Would be here. Look at that Caravan still over there. If they don't know what's wrong with it, they need to just let me troubleshoot it. Let me diagnose it. I could find out exactly. And that's one of the old model Caravans. Yes, I know everything about the. Here go a Chrysler. Looks like a Sebring convertible. If they don't know what's wrong with it, give your boy JT a call. I will let you know exactly what's wrong with that thing. They got a lot of product going on out here, guys. Let's see. Uh-oh. Is this yeah, he's here. He's working on a minivan. Wonder what he's doing. Alright, guys, y'all hold tight. Let me go out here and see what this dude up to. Look like he got a car in both stalls, which means I may not be able to get in the air. Here go all the stuff I got. Like I say, I didn't know what size I need, so I bought one of each. All I want to do is extend it. These are just extenders. I want to go from one broken piece to the other. Like I say, I don't know what size I need, so I just have to take back what I don't use. I will find out though, guys. Let's go out here and see what's going on. Huh? No, I need to look at something. Oh, you can let it out? Huh? Yeah, let me let it up in the air. She bust the exhaust. I want to see. Oh, it runs? Oh yeah, about 5 minutes. Let me get in the air. Alright, he gonna let me use the rack, y'all. So I'm gonna make this real snappy, real quick. Ooh, this sounds like a 3.6. Know what this need? And he's just the guy for it, guys. This guy on a pentastar level, just like I am. See thermostat down here. Checking the light on. So he got some work to do to this one, guys. But I'm not interested in any of that. I need to get my car in the air and find out exactly which connections I'm gonna need to fix this exhaust leak. So my man nice enough to let me do it. So let's get it, guys. Oh, on that? Hey, or for the depth house. Yeah, she split. Oh, that ain't give me no room, man. No, but I'm saying I ain't gonna have enough room to add an extender. I bought all these down. Right, it's broke, but I'm saying. You don't think I can add like an extender?
You ain't got no room right there.
To go over that and go over this. That was too smooth. This is she. I don't know how to. See if I can get over this and then go over this end. Ooh, it do turn. It turns too. It make a hard left turn. Oh, you pry bar. Let me pry this back and see if. Look, man. Oh, I was like, cause he said ain't nothing wrong with it. He said ain't nothing wrong with it but the fuel gauge. Ah, that won't. I can get this over here, but because this turn. That's what my last problem was on the one. It needed a cluster. I had to go to pull apart and get it. Yep, it's just exactly what it needed. We threw sending units at it, but that didn't do nothing. All right, guys, that ain't gonna work. Because this exhaust is hanging a hard left, so I can get this extender on here, but it's not gonna be straight to this because this turn. So she's left with getting it welded. They gonna have to install a swivel extensioner. So, but it was worth a try. How is this possible? She must have hit something right here. Well, there's no ding right here. And pushed it back off of here, but this piece, I priced it out. This piece is $1,500. Yes, because it comes from here to here. Now, right, it splits right here and go to the other side. This is like $500. That's what we're gonna do. And I used to see these in the back with Eric. I'm gonna have to check.
They got the thing where they can flex.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna have to do it because if she do it, they're gonna skin her alive. You know, I'm gonna go out there with my ASC shirt on.
There's one over there by Jimmy, the one I went to took that charger to.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's what I probably it's right in the plaza before you go by Jimmy.
Yeah, they're gonna skin her alive, so.
Right next to, where the four-way stop sign is before you make that left?
Mm-hmm.
You go straight down and you the glass on the right.
Damn, ain't nothing on Memorial Drive? Ain't nothing on Memorial Drive? Oh, them guys crooks. Yeah, all them clowns. I gotta fix this. All those muffler shops.
Yeah, I don't know if they still open over there. I ain't
Well, it was worth the try. That ain't gonna work, guys. All right, so I'm taking all this back and get my whole $50 back. Yep, 57 up. I bought everything because I didn't know what I really needed. Watch when I go back in there, guy go, I ain't gonna want to get my money back. We gonna fight up in that mug. It's Advanced Auto, where your buddy? One of the with us. The Jamaican dude. All right, guys, let me get out of here.